if, else, elif, and indentation. Today we learn conditional statements in Python. A condition is a test that is either true or false. Based on the result, Python runs one block of code and skips the others. The if statement runs code only when the test is true. To handle the other case, add else. One of these two blocks always runs. When you need more than two choices, use elif, which means else if. Python checks from top to bottom and runs the first true block. If none are true, the final else runs. An indentation is very important in Python. Indentation shows which lines belong to each block. Use the same number of spaces for each level, usually 4. Wrong indentation causes errors or wrong behavior. Correct indentation. That is the core idea. If for one test, else for the opposite case, elif for more choices, and consistent indentation to keep each block clear.